on, guys? It's your boy Evan Brown with Immense Fit. Today we have a bicep and tricep workout. This workout, I love it. It kills my biceps, it kills my triceps. Every time I leave the gym, I'm sore. These workouts are really designed to maximize muscle growth. I like to confuse the muscle each week I work out. I like to change up my workouts. I love confusing the muscle because, when you confuse the muscle, that means growth. So when it means growth, it means gains. So let me show you what I'm talking about. First, we're going to start with guillotine high cable curls. These are one of my favorite bicep workouts due to they really squeeze that bicep. You will focus on the contraction of biceps with slow and controlled reps. You're going to do this for 4 sets of 15 reps with an easy to moderate weight. Next, we have one arm cable tricep extensions. These you will do slow and controlled reps. And make sure you have an easy to moderate weight. Once you're done, switch the other arm and then you're going to do this for 4 sets to 10 to 15 reps. Now we move on to tricep dips. You can speed up your tempo with this exercise and you would do this for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Next, we have seated dumbbell curls. Notice how I stopped halfway on these due to I'm keeping constant tension on the biceps, and make sure you choose a moderate to challenging weight you can handle. You perform these with a medium tempo for 4 sets and 8 to 12 reps. Last, we have overhand and underhand pull-ups. Now you're going to perform these for 3 sets each until failure. Thanks for watching and feel free to like this video and subscribe to Immense Fitness if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys in the next video and make sure you add this to your arsenal workouts. Peace.